How to fix my cell phone. It's very slow when I make calls or the signal drops. In this video tutorial, we'll explain step by step how to fix and correct the error on my cell phone. My data is very slow, or calls drop. This often happens. These are sometimes errors due to incorrect configurations that we sometimes have on our phones. As we can see here, it really looks like 4G. Let's see if that's real, if we actually have a 4G or 5G network. What we're going to do is click here where it says, More Connections. No, sorry, let's go back. We'll click here on SIM card services. Then we'll select our device's SIM card slot. Here we'll be able to find out if your phone is 5G or 4G. You'll be able to find all these options. If you see that it's on 2G, what you have to do is deactivate it and put it on 4G so that your network can be applied correctly. On 2G, this means that's why the signal drops and comes back when we activate it. When these two options are activated, the signal goes up and down because it's always suddenly in some places where there's no signal, where the signal is very, very far away. Suddenly, if there is, it connects to the 2G, 4G, or 3G network. If your phone is 5G, it's best to set it here to LTE, which is the original. Then, what we're going to do for our data is press our data here, and we'll go here where it says roaming, and we're going to select this option. You're going to put it here in the first option, always. Why do I say always? Because this helps our internet to always be faster. This would help our internet to be faster, even if that internet runs out. But you want speed, you'll be able to find it by enabling that function.